Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Elissa, owner of Elissa's Custom Design, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I assemble my chip bags for my customers, and also to help my digital customers be able to follow along when they order their own digital print. First, I want you guys to know what supplies I use to print and assemble my chip bag. I use my HP laser printer for all my prints, and this is the paper I use, Hammermill Premium laser glass paper for color, which is super excellent. That's a 32-pound paper, text weight paper actually. I got this from Amazon. I use my crafter's tape, permanent tape runner. It's very easy for me and efficient when I am assembling a lot of paper. So that's what it looks like. Make sure it's double-sided and permanent adhesive. You don't have to use this one. There's others out there. Just make sure it's double-sided and it's permanent. I also use my paper crimper to crimp the edges, top and bottom of my chip bag. This one I got from Amazon also. It's been almost 2 years since I've had this one. It's awesome, 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 awesome. Love it. So today, I'm going to be showing you how I assemble my chip bags. I'm going to be doing 2 of them. That way you can grasp the concept of what I do. For me, it's pretty easy. I'm going to do it as simple as possible, so it will also be easy for you guys. First, I'm going to assemble this one. The first thing I do is I kind of give my paper a form. Before we get there, this whole sheet is 1 sheet of paper, okay? So the chip bag is on a 8.5 by 11 paper, and it takes up the whole paper. So the PDF form will just take up the whole paper. Usually there's gonna be a border. I usually don't cut my borders off, but you can after you're done with the assemble, but I'll show you when we get there. Now, I kind of form my chip bag before I put the chip in it, like so. Notice I'm not creasing. You just need to make it a dent, an indentation, so it has a form. No creasing. Creasing will only put edges on that you really don't need on your chip bag. So like so, you see? If you can see that indentation of the paper right there. See that bend? Look at that glass. These paper are awesome, guys. Okay. Then I usually like to lap my right side over my left side when I do my seal. So I'm gonna be putting adhesive at the top, middle, just in the middle, at the bottom, just in the middle, and then on the side, the right side, running all the way down from top to bottom. Let's go ahead and do that. So just in the middle, 1 tape run at the top, then another at the bottom, just in the middle, guys. And then on the edge right here, just 1 run down to the end, okay? So top, bottom, and right side. Next, I'm going to be using these chips here. the 1 ounce chips. And I'm just going to be placing my chip bag like so, making sure that I'm lining up my edge right here to the corner, okay? Then I start by sealing the bottom, aligning the top flap to the bottom that's laying down. Like so. I seal, press, perfect. Then I cross over the right side, and I do the same at the bottom. Now, this part gets a little bit tricky, but just right here, use this finger here, hold there, just to separate this part right here while you seal the bottom, like so. There. Now, this part here, you just line it up, press, and seal, and there you go. For the top, all I do is I line it up in the middle first, make sure it's even, portion it, then press from the inside to the left side. You can go to the right side if you choose to do that first. I usually go to my left and then do the same, aligning while I seal with the right side, like so. See? Then you push in the sides, like so. See that? Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Now when that's done, I will use my crimper. Now, before I go with the crimper, here is where you could definitely cut the white edges off if you choose to. I usually just leave mine, but you can always cut that part off. But if you're not going to cut it off, you leave it there and you crimp. Now, if you don't have a crimper at home, that's okay. You can use the bag just the way it is. Seal, and it will be just fine. Crimper is just for extra styling. Tuck it in, roll it in, bam. Stick it in, roll it, bam. See? Now, that is how I assemble my chip bags. Just like that. You see that gloss on that paper? It is beautiful. The paper is lightweight, but not see-through. Very great quality paper. Absolutely love it. And that shine that gives the effect like it's actually the paper wrapper from the actual chip bag is like awesome. Look at that shine. Okay guys, I'm gonna assemble the other bag again. Remember, we're going to make an indentation to form the shape of the bag before we assemble the bag. So we bend it like that, aligning the centers. And we're not pushing on the sides, just in the middle, just for an indentation, okay? Just like so. See? It's already shaped out. Now, we're going to do the adhesive. Remember, top just in the middle, bottom just in the middle, and then right side from top to bottom. So top, just in the middle. I usually not put it straight across because it helps to save my tape, especially when you have plenty of bags to assemble. You want to spare as much tape as you can, but it's not going to hinder your bag, meaning it won't make your bag open because it's not a lot, because this adhesive is really, really, really good. A little goes a long way. Then we're gonna remember right side from top to bottom, just like so. Then we get our chip bag, we put it in the middle, we bring this side flap, left side flap over, then we're gonna align at the bottom with the underside, press in and seal. Then we bring the other side over, we keep it apart in the middle, and we align at the bottom, press in and seal. Then we bring the middle across, just like so. And we seal. A little trouble with this one. You push it down and you seal. Then the top, remember I start from my middle, align, work my way out to my left, then middle, work my way out to my right while I'm securing the tape. There we go. Then we punch the middle, the sides, and voila, there we go. Perfect bag. Now at this point, if you don't have a crimper, this is ready to go. Perfect, ready to go. See? Just like so. But if you do have a crimper and you want to do the extra styling, then you'll go ahead and style by putting your bag in the crimper. I like to make sure it's in correctly, that way it gives me a straight crimp. There we go. And then you crimp, roll in, roll out, bam. Do the same for the bottom. You put it in. You roll it in, you roll it out, and bam, see? And there we have it. My neatly assembled chip bag template. There you go, guys. Like I said, you don't have to keep the white edges I like to keep them. If you're choosing not to keep them, you can always cut them off after you secure your tape before you do your crimping. There you go. And that's what she wrote. Okay guys, this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was of great help to you guys. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be linking all the supplies in the description box below.